What's up, guys? Bike check. Airwolf. Allcity Airwolf. Check this out. We got the deputy hub back there, laced up to a mammoth, sun mammoth with the golden red nipples. Mismatch pegs here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Mismatch. Got the 332nd chain all the way through the hooded KHE. Got the tree sprocket, profile crank with the profile mid BB. Let's go up top. Got the Kirby 27.2 seat post with the quick release bolt on it. Got the Aaron Ross signature seat here, red, blood red, to go along with the Blood Wolf. Got the front wheel here, same mammoth, sun mammoth rim. Laced up to the Allcity new sheriff hub. Got the mismatch pegs again. Up to the fork, we got the Allcity dropout fork here, 700, aka 27, aka 26 inch. Got the Thompson BMX stem, BMX, yeah, very exclusive. We got the FSA impact headset, Campy 4545. I don't know if you guys can see this. And we got up top, we got the Allcity fuzzy bar with the Aaron Ross fucking signature fucking grip to match the seat. Oh, and down at the pedals we got a Odyssey twisted with the green and black hole fast straps. As you can see, the theme that I was going for on this bike was supposed to be Rastaman gold and green, but it's just red and yellow. So, you know, check it out. Allcity Airwolf. Dope!